She is finally done. I have one little thing to do, but so there's a Bluetooth speaker in there. And for scale, about the size of a Coke can. Actually, I got to add some red to the top, but the upper half of Deep Space Nine is its base.